Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and in this video I'm going to try to fix the clasp issue on my Smith Everest PRS-25. I emailed Eddie. I think he's the owner of Time Factors, or he's at least a contact over there, and he got back with me within a couple of hours and sent me a picture. Sounds like this is a pretty common issue. So what he said to do is take a needle nose plier, which I have here. Couldn't find my other one, so we'll use this one. And you're supposed to take this little hook here and bend it. So before I do that, let me show you the issue. Also have a video. I did a YouTube short video. I'll leave a link to that below as well. So anyway, I'm squeezing. You can kind of hear it clicking maybe. But anyway, I'm squeezing it. It's kind of popping back out, but I'm squeezing it as tight as possible. And I do have some movement on this. It slides up and down pretty freely, a couple inches, or an inch at least. But anyway, if I pull my wrist back, the clasp should, it'll pop open there. I don't have the issue on any other watches. Guess we can use this. I'll leave this secondary safety clasp open. I don't know, I'm not sure if this will do it or not. I've never actually tried it. Yeah, that's not. So anyway, on with the show. Let's let me zoom in here and see if I can do this on camera, hopefully without scratching anything. I'm kind of concerned these are going to be too big for the job. I don't know if that did anything or not. I'm going to try it on wrist, and if it didn't work, I'm going to pause the video and then get a better look at this. Yeah, let me pause the video and get on this really good, and I'll check right back with you. Well, I've squeezed it and bent it a few times here. At least I think I'm bending it. You can see I kind of scratched it up here a little bit, actually, which I was afraid of. And he told me it wouldn't be a problem. So let me show you how I'm trying to do this here. So I'm squeezing it tight here, and I'm just taking my thumb and kind of bending it down. Let's zoom back out, and we'll try the test again. If you can hear that or not. It's kind of clicking as I'm pushing it in. Let me take this out. It looks like a spring bar in here. I'll take this off, and then maybe I can get a little better grip on it. All right, well, this is not a spring bar here. I could not get that to push in. Didn't want to apply too much pressure, but it's definitely not a spring bar. I might have moved it a little bit actually. I don't know what way this is supposed to be pushed. But anyway, I tried bending this some more. It's really not bending. I tried doing it this way as well. This thing's getting scratched up and I am not happy about that. I have some vice grips, but I don't think my vice grips will fit in between here. I'd really like to take this part of the bracelet off, but I can't. I don't want to keep pushing that pin out. So let's try this one more time, and if it doesn't work, I guess we'll call it a video. I'll have to do another follow-up video here. But this isn't working out like I thought it would. Maybe I actually got it this time. Or not. So let me know if you guys have another watch that does this with the clasp. I had some... Actually, I still have the watch somewhere. A Raymond Weil with the butterfly clasp that would do this very easily. But I don't think I have any other watches that do this. I'm looking around here, and I'm also trying to think what else I have in my collection that has a clasp like this without a safety clasp, or that's not a double deployant like this Trasca commuter. Kind of curious. Interesting. Huh. I don't know if that would work. Anyway, that's not the point of the video, but yeah, I'm going to have to send another email off to Eddie and tell him this did not work. I don't think I'm expecting too much of this watch to be able to stay on wrist while I'm doing just daily activities. So, I mean, I'm just taking my hand and, I don't think that's really anything too crazy. So anyway, let me know what you think. Yeah, I don't know what to say. I'm just really disappointed in this watch. So, all right. As always, thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I greatly appreciate it. And I'll catch you on the next video.